The Maker dashboard is the main workspace for managing printing jobs, products, and orders on JustPrint. At the top, you get a quick overview of your activity, including active jobs, completed orders, pending cards, and your current rating. This gives you an instant snapshot of how your Maker account is performing. Below that, the job board helps you keep track of incoming and ongoing print jobs. Here you can quickly search jobs, review details like status, material, and payout, and open each one to take action. The dashboard is organized in dedicated tabs, including job board, my printers, products, and product orders. So everything you need as a maker is available in one place. The goal is simple: help you manage cards, production, and product sales efficiently from a single dashboard. In the My Printers tab, makers can register and manage all of their 3D printers in one place. This section helps you showcase your printing capabilities, including your printer model, build volume, printing technology, and supported materials. To add a new machine, simply click Add Printer and enter the printing details. Once added, the printer appears in your list where you can review or edit it later. Keeping your printers updated is very important because this information helps customers to understand what you can produce. It also helps the platform match you with the right print request based on your printer capabilities and supported material. So the more accurate your printer setup is, the better your chances of appearing for relevant customer jobs. The job board is the maker's main workspace for managing print jobs. Here you can see all incoming requests and active orders in one list, with important details like status, material, and payment shown clearly. When a job comes in as a new request, you can click Review to open the request, check the details, and send a code back to the customer. If the customer is happy with the code, they can accept it and complete the payment, and the job then moves forward to next stage. If the job is already underway, you can click View to check details and follow its progress. The board also gives you a quick way to update production status. When a job is ready to begin, you can click the play button to move it from queue to printing, so the customer can see that production has started. It's a simple way to keep codes, jobs, and production updates organized in one place. The Products tab is where makers can upload and manage their ready-made items for sale on JustPrint. This is a space for listing products that customers can discover and purchase directly from the Shop tab. Each product includes a title, description, and the price, so the makers can clearly present what they are offering. From here, you can add new products, search existing listings, open a product to view it, edit the details, or hide the listing anytime. This gives makers a simple way to build a storefront on JustPrint and sell finished products alongside their custom printing services. The Product Orders tab is where makers manage customer orders for product listed in the shop. Each order shows the product, order ID, customer, status, total, and the quantity, so you can quickly see what needs action. For pending orders, you can accept or reject, or view the details first. Once accepted, you can click Start to begin processing the order. This gives makers one place to manage product sales from the order request to fulfillment. If you're a 3D print maker or designer and you want more high-intent customers, fewer emails, and less chaos, go to JustPrint.io. Create your profile and join the marketplace. create, print, deliver, and get paid for what you already love doing.